Hello everyone. Welcome to the Stock Market Olympiad. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of registering and participating in this exciting event. To get started, open Google and search for Stock Market Olympiad, or simply type www.stockolympiad.in into your browser. After clicking the link, the Stock Market Olympiad website will open. Next, click on the competition option in the main menu at the top of the page. You've now arrived at the competition page, where you'll find all the relevant information about the event, such as the timeline, participation details, competition guidelines, Olympiad format, and the result declaration process. If you have any questions or need assistance, you can chat with our expert directly from this page. When you scroll up, you'll see an Apply Now button. To register for the competition, simply click on this button. A pop-up window will appear once you do. A form will now appear. First, enter your full name. Next, select your qualification, the class you're currently in, from the drop-down menu. After that, type your full school name, avoid using initials. Then, choose your state of residence and enter your 10-digit mobile number, omit any leading zeros. Provide your email address and create a strong password, which you'll use to log into the Stock Olympiad portal. Once you've filled out all the fields, click on the Proceed button. After clicking the Proceed button, you'll be redirected to a secure payment gateway. Here, you can choose your preferred payment method, such as debit card, credit card, UPI, or wallet. I'll select UPI for this example. Once I choose UPI, a QR code will appear. I will scan this QR code with my mobile device to complete the payment. After the transaction is processed, you will be redirected to the login page and your registration will be complete. You will also receive an email with all the registration details shortly after. To start, you need to access your account by using the email address and password that you set up during the registration process. After logging in, you will arrive at the dashboard. On the top bar, you'll notice that you have 20,000 rupees in virtual currency available, which you can use to place orders on the simulated platform. Before embarking on any endeavor, it's essential to refresh our understanding, and knowledge is rooted in theory. Therefore, we encourage you to explore our tutorial section, where you'll discover a wealth of video tutorials covering fundamental and technical analysis. These tutorials encompass a wide range of topics, including the financial sustainability of a company, financial ratios, industrial analysis, corporate governance, forensic accounting, and many more. Once you've laid the foundation of your knowledge in fundamental and technical market analysis, the next step is to explore our company's report section, conveniently located in the menu. Here, you gain access to a comprehensive repository of all companies listed on the National Stock Exchange, including their annual reports from the past 6 years. This section provides a wealth of valuable information, such as company-specific SWOT analysis, fundamental and technical assessments, shareholding patterns, relevant news updates, and more. What sets this section apart is its user-friendly functionality. For instance, suppose you're preparing for a job placement interview in the banking and finance industry. You can easily filter companies within this industry by selecting it from the drop-down menu and clicking Search. This feature allows you to discover companies you might not have encountered before, which is especially beneficial when students have limited time to prepare for interviews. Consider this example: in the banking and finance sector, students often express their interest in joining well-known institutions like ICICI Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, or HDFC Bank. However, when less familiar names like Aavas Financiers or Capri Global Capital come up, many students may not recognize them. By familiarizing yourself with these companies and applying for positions within them, you enhance your chances of securing a coveted role. Within the company's report section, there's an additional feature called Recommended Company. If you can't locate a specific company, even if it's listed on the stock exchange, you can simply provide the company's name and website here. Within 48 hours, Visual Bulls will make all the relevant reports available to you. After you've chosen a company from the company's report section, aligning with your interests or placement aspirations, navigate to the watchlist section. Here, you can effortlessly add the chosen company to your watchlist. Simply enter the company name in the search box, and it will appear in the drop-down menu. Select the company and click Add to Watchlist. Following this step, the application screen will prompt you to designate which watchlist you'd like to allocate this company to: watchlist 1, 2, 3, or 4. Once you've made your selection, wait for a brief 3-second confirmation, and the company will be successfully added to your preferred watchlist. Once you've added a stock to your watchlist, you'll observe real-time price fluctuations during market hours, which run from Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Alongside these price updates, you'll find 3 essential buttons: a buy button, a sell button, and a trend button. Clicking on the trend button allows you to view the stock's performance trends over different time frames: 1 day, 5 days, 1 month, 3 months, and 6 months. To purchase a stock using virtual currency, simply click on the buy button. A pop-up window will appear on your screen, where you can specify the quantity you wish to buy. Ensure that the order value is within your virtual wallet balance. You can also provide a reason for the purchase, which will serve as a reference when you review your order book later. If you decide to sell a stock, click on the sell button. In the pop-up window, select the quantity you want to sell, making sure it does not exceed the quantity available in your portfolio. Additionally, you can provide a reason for selling the stock, which helps you track your decision-making process. Next, you'll access your order book by simply clicking on Order in the menu. In this table, you'll find a comprehensive overview of your transactions, including the date and time of the transaction, the security name, the quantity bought or sold, the transaction amount, brokerage charges applied, the total order value, profit or loss applicable for sell transactions, and the reason behind each transaction. The inclusion of brokerage charges in this simulation is designed to provide a more realistic experience, helping you develop your mental math skills, mirroring the actual practice of brokers charging fees in the securities market. By clicking on the Portfolio and Holdings tab, you'll access valuable information. In the first table, you'll find an overview of your investments, including the total amount invested and its current valuation, unrealized profit or loss, which calculates profit or loss based on current prices, and unbooked gains or losses, and realized profit or loss, reflecting gains or losses from previously sold shares. In the second table, you can view the securities in your portfolio, along with their respective industry categorizations, available quantities, total invested amounts on a per stock basis, average purchase prices, current market values, and unrealized profit or loss figures. This data offers a comprehensive view of your investment positions and performance. When you visit the Industry-Wise Pattern tab, you gain access to a breakdown of your portfolio's investments by industry. For example, if you have holdings in both ICICI Bank and Axis Bank, this section allows you to view the total investment in the banking and finance sector. In the first table, you'll find a list of industries alongside the total amount invested in each. In the second table, represented as a pie chart, you can visually grasp the percentage distribution of your investments across various industries. This feature provides a clear overview of how your portfolio is diversified across different sectors. The latest research section, our dedicated team of expert researchers regularly updates stock recommendations, publishing them every weekday at 10 a.m. These recommendations are carefully curated based on the prevailing market trends and conditions. It's important to highlight that while we provide insights for both trading and investment, our primary objective is to instill in students a strategic and long-term investment mindset. Within the latest research tab, you'll find 5 distinct sub-tabs catering to various aspects of financial markets, trading, investment, future and option, currency, and commodity. When you click on investment, you'll discover 3 additional sub-tabs, namely small cap, mid cap, and large cap. Each of these sub-tabs presents a table with a selection of securities. This table offers valuable information, including the current market prices of these securities, the target prices our experts have predicted for them, the estimated timeframes within which these stocks are expected to reach their target prices, the suggested entry prices, the price at which it is advisable to consider buying these stocks, and the stop loss levels, indicating the price at which it is recommended to sell these stocks to limit potential losses. These insights are designed to empower you with well-informed investment strategies and decisions, whether you are considering small cap, mid cap, or large cap stocks. We recommend that students make frequent visits to the research and analysis section. This will enable you to stay updated on a daily basis and gain insights into current market trends. You'll be able to identify thriving industries and assess their performance over time. This knowledge can be invaluable in securing future employment opportunities. In the investment table, there's a valuable feature called Record and Monitor. When you come across research that catches your attention and decide to invest, whether it's in the actual stock market or a virtual one, you can utilize this tool to save crucial investment details for easy tracking. Frequently, we read research, make investment choices, but struggle to consistently monitor our investments due to our busy daily schedules. This can result in forgetting how long we've held a particular stock, potentially causing us to miss out on opportunities when the stock reaches its target price or undergoes fluctuations. By simply clicking the Record and Monitor button, you're prompted to input essential information, the purchase amount and the quantity of the stock you've acquired. This input allows you to effectively keep tabs on your investments. Even though the research section receives daily updates, recording your investments ensures that you can conveniently access and review them later in the Research Record section, located within the Research and Analysis tab. This feature empowers you to stay well-informed and make timely decisions concerning your investment portfolio, regardless of your busy schedule. After you've saved your data, our AI-enabled system takes charge of monitoring it. It operates seamlessly in the background, and here's how it benefits you. Firstly, when a stock in your portfolio reaches its target price, our system automatically sends you a notification. But it doesn't stop there. If you've been holding a stock for a specific duration, our system proactively notifies you 3 days before the targeted date. Additionally, if a security triggers its stop-loss price, we promptly notify you to consider selling the stock. This automation is a game changer as it allows you to stay connected with the stock market, even when you're unable to actively manage your portfolio. It's designed to keep you informed and help you make timely decisions to maximize your investment opportunities. The research section is not available on the competition dashboard. This feature is exclusively accessible through the simulator. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you appreciate the value our simulated portal can bring to your resume, we invite you to explore our website at www.pschoolbulls.com. Here, under the Products menu option, you can choose the Stock Market Simulator and complete your registration. It's worth mentioning that our solution is trusted and utilized by numerous prestigious institutions in India. By using this portal, you not only gain industry insights but also have the opportunity to earn an experience certificate from us in security research and portfolio management upon program completion. For ongoing updates and valuable information, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel.